So hi guys, in the last video as I show you that how to download a APK file and install on your device, on your Android device. So now today we are gonna make some changes on this page. As you can see that right now the last time that changes we made, it's like that. You can just write the name. Okay, let me remove that. Let me take it out that. So any name you can just write, and gender I believe there's nothing. That's something I need to change and I will change it right now. And date of birth, if you click here and select any date of birth like 1. Okay, now as you can see that we are saying that all the things. Let me cut that. So as you can see that the life inside, and that's you are saying that, and that's the changes we made last time. If you go to web here, so I believe there's same changes happen here. Like whenever you write anything, the changes happen in Android and web, both of them. So if you want to see it, just wait for a few seconds and it's gonna show here. So just wait. So as you can see that for web, here we have all the files. As you can see, we have around just few files: index.html, manufacturing, and that. Okay, icons here, as for JSON here. Okay, as you can see that the same interface as the Android device. Here you can just put the name, gender, date of birth. As you can see, you can select the year also from here. Let me select around okay, any date now. So as you can see that age in hours, minutes, second. Next date of birth is the 18th. Okay, life insights, like that. So these are here. Now we have to make more changes on it. For example, I want to have like a gender, like a male, female, and third gender also added. Okay, that will be optional but selective. And when the date of birth, birthday, or user interface that I need to change. So let's write. You can just go like some other tools and ask for example, if let's use the ChatGPT. It's the most famous one right now. So I can just say that I want to create a Android app for H calculator. What I need, just write down by list. Okay, let's see what it's saying. So it's saying that define the purpose. So next birthday compared to optional user interface, tool you need Android Studio. Okay, project setup, design, then write app logic, test app, add extra options. Okay, build and publish. So these are showing that what I need to. Okay, if you know better prompt, you can easily just write it down. For me, I'm not totally sure what I really need. That's why it is causing trouble for me. But if you know exactly what tool you want, I believe whatever I'm doing it, you can complete it in just a half an hour. And I'm telling you that. So I will ask him that just I want age calculator, spelling mistake, age calculator with life insights like heartbeat and so on. And I want you to write prompt for Firebase Studio. If you write quite well, like adding all the things, then it can give you the correct answer. Let's say it's saying that prompt create an Age calculator, absolute exact age. Okay, heartbeat, day lived, week lived, hours slept, next birthday, fun fact. Okay, Firebase function logic, UI, output. Okay, optional add-on, you can also add animation. I'm not getting truly, but I'm not sure what will happen if I put all of that. Why not try this one? Okay, this is a prompt. I'm telling you that you can just have the prompt like that, and you can just put it there, and it can give you the same exact copy. And later on I can just change it. So I copy it there, and just here you just paste it, and then click here. So that I show you that you can just do it the first time when you started. You can just exactly go to ChatGPT, tell what kind of app you need and all the information, and just paste it here, and I will tell you that it will create you the app that you need. You don't have to put more extra work. If you know what truly you want, then it's really easy for you to have it application using Firebase Studio, because it will do all the things for you. So it's doing all of that. It's gonna change the name and everything it will do. So when you are making an app, I will tell you that first think what kind of app you want, how you want. If you know that you write it a good prompt, then your work gonna be really small. But if you don't know that, you are trying to just build it and add extra tools, it's also okay that. But if you exactly know what really you want, then it's gonna be really easy for you. So that's why I'm saying that just to use AI tools, and there are many other AI tools that can give you much more answer. Just to go browse some website, get some more idea, or learn about the prompt engineering. It will really helpful, because once you know that, not about coding, everything that AI can do, you can do it. Even you don't have knowledge about that field, but still you can do it. Not like a pro, but still you can do it. For example, like right now I'm making application, but I don't have any knowledge. But even right now I can make it without any knowledge, because I'm just telling what I want. And the same way you can do it all the things, whether it's making videos, images. As long you know what you want, you can get it. So it's did everything, but I'm not sure that it truly happened or not. As you can see here, there's refresh page, reload. So I'm not sure what changes happened or not. Here is I have created edge calculator scanned file implement core logic, okay, UI state management and all calculation features. So it's saying that it did it, but not seeing it. So again reload it, full reload. Okay, let me check in here if I can see that. app.tmp. That is one of the thing that I don't like about this Firebase Studio, and I believe because it is online, that's why it takes a lot of time. Here I could not reload it. Let me hard restart. You see here some problem. Okay, both is starting. So I understand what hard start means. It means that both of that is gonna restart again. So let's see. You can see here all the things that are happening. Okay, preview failed to start. That's the thing happens most of the time, and that's why I told you that rather than doing this, you just build your APK and test on your mobile device, because it's much easier for me. I'm not sure about you, but for me it feels much easier. So even right now you can see that I'm just waiting. Okay, here also I'm waiting, and I'm more trouble about this thing. I'm not trouble about anything until there, but I'm just motor about that. Okay, let's see if there's any difference happen or not. Okay, it's not started again. So as you can see that it's taking a lot of time. Starting preview. Okay, so as you know that we have told whatever to add. Okay, let's I want to add a lot of things like add lots of life insights of human, like food eat waste, food wasted, pollution, air pollution. I'm adding that because I wanted to know uh, how it gonna give the answer, and I want all that. So I'm just giving that a little bit and more, like these insights about human. So I believe it's gonna write the prompt again. So it's saying that build Android app called Life Insight Calculator. Main features. Okay, Life Insights, display heartbeat, be taken or slept. This kind of information, I believe in that way it will give you that you know really, in that way you can get a more accurate application. Again I'm getting problem. So you can see that what I want in Life Insights. Okay, visualization, use card or chart display insights, add progress bar, add animation emoji, Firebase integration, use Firebase store to store user data of insights tree, option let user to save, compare insight, UX clean, modern. So let's use that. Okay, so there's around 5 of them. Okay, okay, you don't have to do anything, just copy that and come here and paste it. So just do that. Here it's written, and try to reload this one. So as you can see it's happening. So I will tell you that when you are making application, you have an idea but you don't know more about that. So just use ChatGPT or any other AI tools for information and make a prompt telling that what you really need, and read it that you think that all the things that you need is there. Then just copy the prompt and just paste it here, and all your job will done by the AI tools. As you can see that it's doing all the thing. Even you don't understand anything that what is happening, you can just able to create your own application. So as you can see that even right now I'm getting error, and there's a two way I can just make it work, like I can reload that, but I have to wait again to load all the things that I don't want. I'm doing the hard restart but still it's not happening. If you stay offline, then I believe it's much better, because at least this issue won't happen. So as you can see it's saying that I have rated the app with the new features of requested, the life edge calculator. So because of this error I can't see how it looks like. I don't know there's any way that I can fix that. Okay, so I have made all updates I want to see. So I will reload this page and let's see that this problem is gonna fixed or not. So reload that. I don't have internet problem, just that that application is online, that's why that SDK it's really hard to connect it, sometimes not gonna connect, and it causing the trouble. Right now you see that it's waiting, it's not updated, causing error. Let me check the web. I just hope this one is working. Even this one not working. If you're facing this kind of problem, it will resolve itself after a couple of minutes or couple of hours, or you can just refresh 3 or 4 times, it's gonna solve. But if you really want to check, I will tell you that just build an APK and then just use it on your phone and see how it looks like. So it causing trouble, so I'm gonna build an APK, and I will just below the download link, below the video I will give you the download link. You can just download it, install it on your Android device and check it how it looks. Okay, so build APK. So just wait, it's saying there, run the command. Let me try again. Using this tool, I'm facing only this problem, that I'm getting more irritated every single time whenever I use that. This one and downloading, I will tell you that these are both are really irritating. Whenever I download, it's reload again and again, and I could not do that. Sometimes it works really great, but most of the time it is not. So let's see. It said I tried to build APK but failed. Last time also I faced the same problem. After 9 try, it made the APK. So if you are facing the same problem, don't worry about it. Just try again and again, and I will tell you that after 9 to 10 times of that, it will solve your problem. Okay. So click on update file. Run that command. I'm trying this one, but it's not happening. Web server is debug mode, waiting for connection for debug server service on web server. Debug console. I just hope this one works. It takes a lot of time. Last time it took more than 30 minutes just to make it work. Again and again, update. After this I'm gonna install Android Studio and see that I'm getting same problem, or I can use Android Studio to make application like Firebase Studio. I hope it can possible. I just hope for it. But if you want to make a application using Android Studio, I believe using AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, you can do that. Yeah, you need to know more about it and you need to spend more time, but here you just give prompt and it will do all the job work for you. But you face this kind of trouble. Finally I believe it is connected. Let's see how it looks like. Waiting here, no idea. So did you see? I'm really irritated by these things. As you can see that this is our new interface, but our name and gender option is no longer there. You see that the second time when I add the prompt, I believe there's no option of name and gender. That's why. So select our date of birth. Let's select one 1976 13th. Okay. I calculate my life. As you can see that it says 49 years old, heartbeat, breath taken, hours slept, step walked, food eaten, next birthday in there, and also share my life stats. Also there is option. So you can see that there is a option share my life stats. So you can see that all the things that here whatever we wrote in the command prompt, and in our Android you can also see this how it looks. Just click here and you can select that age and get the same functionality in both. Okay, So let's wait, let me check. Okay, now 2019 15th October. Okay, let me cut this. Now calculate my life. So as you can see that okay, here I believe there's some kind of problem. uh, you see there is some problems are there. Okay, so this is the issue that I'm facing, that how I would tell that this thing, like this user interface is not working well. I can just say that the UI on the Android is not working well, but as for you see here it's working. Okay, so you just write here that the UI is not working. Let's say UI on Android is not working. I don't know what information it will give and what it will do. Let's see. So it's saying that I'm sorry to hear, and I'm review the code. Share package, I will just this include. So basically what I'm telling that if you really want to make the app, use any other AI tools, just write the prompt for it, just write every single thing that you want in your app, how you want, and they will write the prompt for you, whatever match whatever you need, and then just copy that prompt and paste it here, and it will do all your work. If you want to some more changes, then do that. As you can see that I believe it's made the changes. Okay, let me, in a way we can easily see it, but in here we are getting a little trouble. As you can see that it has said that I have rated main dot to install package. This should fix issue on Android. So I believe in Android you not fix that, but as you can see that it is not working quite well. Okay, I will just build an APK again after the changes happen. Okay, build APK, click, run the command. Again the terminal is running. Problems, say device should not be used. I'm just really irritated about this thing. If there's any way to fix it, I would really, it would really helpful for a lot of people. Like I'm facing this problem, you might also face. And I don't think that is a problem with internet, because I'm using Wi-Fi and it's really fast. So I don't think that is the issue, because here it's working, in a way it's working, but in Android it causing trouble. So just wait, I will just have that APK and I will just check on my mobile device. I believe that's something I should do, and also I'll provide this APK that I'm building right now, only this one, not another. The latest is this one. I will just provide you beside the video. You can just download it and you can check it if you want, and see that if truly just made application with that can be easily installed and worked. So if, in order to download that, in last video I told you that, but again I just told you that just go to file and go to build. Okay, in a build you go to app and go to app in outputs, and you go to further APK. Here that app release.apk, double click and click on zip and download. Okay, just for few seconds. As you can see here, it's saying the zipping the folder, and here it restarting. It will start downloading. If the download is not starting and it's again and again it's refreshing itself, just wait for that. After a couple of refresh, it will download. If it's not happening, so just delete the cookies or wait for certain period of time and then try again. Then you can easily download it. Like you see that again refresh happened, and the refresh again happened itself. And if you can't able to download after a couple of times, like more than 10 times, then just go and read the cookies and then try again. But make sure that same browser in which your account is logged in. If you just copy this link and go to another browser, like I will just the rounding has started. So after 3 times it started. As I told you that if you copy this one and you go, you cannot download it. Like when you go the code, you need in the same browser where that ID is logged in. So make sure that you should do that. Okay. So that is all for today. I'll meet you in the next video, and I will upload this APK file so that you can check it and see how it's working. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.